Welcome to our channel where heritage meets innovation. Today, we are diving into the world of Tudor watches, a brand renowned for its timeless designs, precision engineering, and rich history. From the iconic Black Bay to the professional grade Pelagos, Tudor offers a perfect blend of vintage inspiration and modern technology. Whether you're a dive enthusiast, a history buff, or simply a lover of fine timepieces, join us as we explore the craftsmanship, stories, and unique features that make Tudor watches a favorite among collectors and adventurers alike. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know your favorite Tudor model in the comments. Let's get started. Number 5, Tudor Black Bay Chrono Watch. The Tudor X Alinghi Red Bull Racing collaboration is a celebration of precision, innovation, and high-performance sailing. This special edition timepiece is designed for the dynamic world of competitive sailing, inspired by the cutting-edge technology of the Alinghi Red Bull Racing team. The watch features a robust titanium case, ensuring lightweight durability, and a striking blue and red color scheme that reflects the team's vibrant identity. The bidirectional rotatable bezel with a countdown function is tailored for regatta timing, while the luminescent markers and hands ensure readability in challenging conditions. Powered by Tudor's COSC-certified automatic movement, it delivers exceptional accuracy and a 70-hour power reserve. The hybrid rubber and fabric strap offers comfort and resilience, perfect for both on and off the water. Number 4, Tudor Black Bay 36 Watch. The Tudor Black Bay 36 is a versatile and elegant timepiece that blends sporty functionality with timeless design. Its 36 stainless steel case offers a perfect balance of classic proportions and modern wearability, suitable for both men and women. The clean, uncluttered dial features luminescent markers and hands, ensuring readability in any lighting. Powered by a reliable Swiss automatic movement, it delivers precision and a 38-hour power reserve. The Black Bay 36 is water-resistant up to 150 meters, making it suitable for swimming and everyday wear. It comes with a choice of a stainless steel bracelet, leather strap, or fabric NATO strap, offering versatility and comfort. Number 3, Tudor Royal Watch. The Tudor Royal is a sophisticated timepiece that combines classic elegance with modern flair. Its distinctive design features an integrated stainless steel bracelet and a fluted bezel, exuding a refined aesthetic suitable for both casual and formal occasion. Available in a range of dial colors and sizes, including date and day-date models, the Royal offers versatility to suit individual preferences. Powered by a reliable automatic movement, it ensures precise timekeeping and a 38-hour power reserve. The scratch-resistant sapphire crystal and 100-meter water resistance add durability, making it a practical choice for everyday wear. With its blend of timeless design and contemporary functionality, the Tudor Royal is a perfect choice for those seeking a watch that effortlessly transitions from the boardroom to weekend outings. Number 2, Tudor Black Bay 58 Navy Blue Watch. The watch is a modern dive watch that pays homage to Tudor's rich maritime heritage. Its 39 stainless steel case is perfectly proportioned for a comfortable fit, while the stunning navy blue dial and bezel evoke the depths of the ocean. The iconic snowflake hands and luminescent markers ensure excellent readability, even in low-light conditions. Powered by Tudor's in-house COSC-certified automatic movement, it offers precision, a 70-hour power reserve, and impressive reliability. Water-resistant up to 200 meters, it's a capable tool for diving and water sports. The Black Bay 58 Navy Blue comes with a choice of a stainless steel bracelet, leather strap, or fabric NATO strap, offering versatility and style. Number 1, Tudor Pelagos FXD Watch. The Tudor Pelagos FXD is a purpose-built dive watch designed in collaboration with the French Navy's combat swimmers. Its robust titanium case is lightweight and corrosion resistant, making it ideal for extreme underwater conditions. The fixed bezel with a countdown scale is tailored for professional diving missions, while the mate dial features luminescent markers and snowflake hands for optimal readability. Powered by Tudor's in-house automatic movement, it delivers precision, a 70-hour power reserve, and COSC certification. The Pelagos FXT is water-resistant up to 200 meters and features a unique titanium fixed strap bar, ensuring durability and compatibility with various straps. The included fabric NATO strap is both comfortable and resilient, perfect for extended wear. With its military-inspired design and professional capabilities, the Tudor Pelagos FXT is a testament to Tudor's commitment to innovation and functionality.